Hey everyone, welcome to Manu Law classes. In today's video, I am going to discuss 10 words which have been taken from the Hindu newspaper. These words often come in examinations such as CLAT, ALET and other law entrance examinations. So if you are watching this video, make sure you're watching it till the end. Keep a note with you and keep writing the words and explanation here. Let's get started. The first word in the list is scrutinize. Scrutinize मतलब thoroughly किसी चीज को check करना, right? To examine carefully and critically. The report was scrutinized by experts before publication. कोई भी चीज जो पब्लिश होने से पहले उसे properly scrutinize किया जाता है. That has been mentioned here. So examine or inspect. Inspector क्या करते हैं? Inspect करते हैं. So that is what scrutinize means in a written context. Ignore और overlook मतलब ध्यान से नहीं देखा गया है. The next word in the list is substantiate. Substantiate को आप corroborate भी कह सकते हो. Substantiate मतलब let's say somebody has said something, now he or she is corroborating or substantiating the statement. So to provide evidence or proof to support something. The lawyer substantiated his argument with strong evidence. तो हमारे फील्ड में होता क्या है, कुछ भी बात सबूतों पे ही रखी जाती है, यूं ही कहा सुना नहीं देखते, सबूत होना चाहिए. You have to corroborate, you have to substantiate what you have just said. So confirm, validate are the synonyms and disapprove and refute are the antonyms. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इन द लिस्ट इज सरमाउंट. सरमाउंट का मतलब होता है हावी हो जाना, ओवरकम हो जाना किसी चीज पर. टू ओवरकम और डिफिकल्टी और ऑब्स्टेकल, शी सरमाउंटेड द चैलेंजेस एंड ग्रेजुएटेड विद ऑनर्स. तो होता है जीवन में प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं लोगों के एंड दे जस्ट पुट इन अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट एंड सरमाउंट द बिग माउंटेन्स आल्सो. सो या, यू शुड हैव डिटर्मिनेशन एंड परसिवरेंस. Synonyms are overcome and conquer. यहाँ पे conquer का मतलब विजय प्राप्त करना. So surmount are same. Surrender and fail का मतलब give in हो जाना, give up कर देना. That is surrender or fail. Next word in the list is tacit. Tacit का मतलब होता है basically जो चीज explain करने की जरूरत ना हो, already implied हो, correct? Understood or implied without being stated openly. Their tacit agreement led to the smooth collaboration, implied and unspoken. The antonyms are explicit और express, जिसे express करने की कोशिश हो या साफ साफ लिखा हो. The next word in the list is tenacious. Tenacity सुना होगा आपने, firmness की जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं. That attitude is tenacity. So tenacious is very determined and persistent. His tenacious pursuit of justice earned him respect. ठीक है. So persistent and determined, बहुत ही determined, दृढ़ निश्चय के साथ. Weak and indifferent are the, indifferent मतलब interest ना लेना and weak मतलब कमजोर. Next word is transcend. ये बहुत ही अच्छा word है. Transcend the boundaries of your thought when you are determined to achieve something. I have read it somewhere. So to go beyond the limits of something. तो कभी कभी जब आप बहुत ज्यादा डिटरमिन्ड हो, बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत कर रहे हो, आप ट्रांसेंड कर दोगे हर एक बाउंड्री को जो आपके सामने आने वाला है. So his achievements transcend those of his predecessors. तो होता है ना, it's all about determination and the perseverance. So surpass, exceed are the synonymous words to transcend. And fall short and lag मतलब पीछे रह जाना, मेहनत ना करना. So next word in the list is ubiquitous. Ubiquitous का मतलब होता है सर्वत्र, जैसे कि परमात्मा विराजमान है एक ही समय में हर जगह, right? So that is ubiquitous, present or found everywhere. Smartphones have become ubiquitous in today's society. So you will see that everyone has a smartphone, हर किसी के पास है, चारों तरफ फैला हुआ है. So omnipresent का भी मतलब होता है सर्वज्ञ, एक जगह पे विराजमान होना एक ही समय में, pervasive, फैला हुआ चारों तरफ. So rare and scarce are the antonyms to this word ubiquitous. The next word in the list is venerate. Venerate मतलब respect होता है, veneration मतलब श्रद्धा होती है, right? So venerate is to regard with great respect. किसी चीज में बहुत ज्यादा आस्था होना. महात्मा गांधी is venerated as the father of nation. महात्मा गांधी को father of the nation की तरह सम्मान दिया जाता है. Revere and honor are the synonyms and antonyms are disrespect and condemn, किसी चीज की निंदा करना. Next word in the list is whimsical. Whimsical की देखो, serious मतलब क्या होता है, serious, और whimsical मतलब fun loving, right? So playfully fanciful or capricious. The movie had a whimsical charm that delighted audiences. तो बहुत ही funny होना, playful होना. So playful and fanciful. Let's say horror comedies. These are very funny at the same time playful. So serious and somber are the antonyms to this word. Antonyms. Serious and somber are the antonyms to this word whimsical. The next word and last word in the list is zealous. Zeal का मतलब होता है उत्साह. Zealous मतलब बहुत ज्यादा उत्साहित. So it is not jealous, right? It's zealous. So showing great enthusiasm and energy, his zealous approach to work inspired his team. So होता है ना, अगर मैनेजर ही मन लगा के काम कर रहा है, so कंपनी के सारे लोग बहुत मन लगा के काम करते हैं. ठीक है. So passionate and enthusiastic are the synonyms to this word zealous. And apathetic and indifferent, again indifferent मतलब रुचि ही ना होना किसी काम को करने में. Apathetic is same. So I hope you have understood all the words discussed in this video. Make sure if you are new to this channel, do subscribe and share it with your friends. Do follow us on other social media platforms. And thank you so much for watching the video till the end. All the very best for your upcoming exams.